In this video, I'm going to solve a couple of problems regarding expected return. So this first problem is we're investing $35,000 in a stock with an expected return of 6% and $45,000 in a stock with an expected return of 8%. And we want to know what the expected return of our portfolio is. So this is going to use our formula. Our expected return is weight 1 times return 1 plus weight 2 times return 2. So the expected return, that's mu, is equal to 35,000 divided by 80,000 times 6% plus 45,000 divided by 80,000 times 8%. So for this, I'll need my calculator, so let's grab that. So 35 divided by 80 times 0.06 plus 45 divided by 80 times 0.08, 7.125%. So this is 7.125%. Okay, the second problem, we have $100,000 to invest in a portfolio with 2 stocks, and we want an expected return of 10%. The 2 stocks have expected returns of 6 and 8%. You're allowed to short either stock, which means you put a negative position in, and what percentage of your portfolio should be in the first stock and what percentage in the second stock. Okay, so again, the 100,000 doesn't matter because we're just doing percentages here. So we are going to use, again, the same formula. The expected return is 10%, and that's supposed to be weight 1 times 6% plus weight 2 times 8%. Now the thing that we have to remember is that weight 1 plus weight 2 equals 1, right? They add up to our entire portfolio, which means that weight 2 equals 1 minus weight 1. So I'm not going to bother writing my percent sign, so we get 10 equals 6W1 plus 1 minus W1 times 8, which is 10 equals, we've got a 6 minus 8, so negative 2W1, W1 plus 8. So 2 equals negative 2W1, which means W1 equals negative 1, which means that we're going to short, in this case, $100,000 of the first stock. When we short stock, we sell it, we receive $100,000. We're going to take that $100,000 and the original $100,000 and buy 200%. So this is negative 100%, and this is equal to 2 or 200%. We're going to buy 200% of the second stock. And let's just check. So we're saying, let's see, W1, negative 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8 is equal to 16 minus 6, 10. So that's the correct weights. And so in this case, in order to achieve a return, and our return is greater than the 2 possible returns in the stocks, we have to short the first stock, the stock with a lower return, and invest all of that money in the second stock.